Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong engineering board problem coming from engineering mathematics, specifically differential equations. So before natin sagutan to, shoutout muna sa open source na GC group na isa sa mga GC kung saan maraming nagiging electrical engineers. And yun guys, check nyo lang yung mga GC na ganun like yung sa mga um, about sa syempre mga engineering boards like for EE, and kung meron man tayo sa ibang engineering boards. And galingan nyo lagi mga Lodi Cakes. Alam ko na lahat kayo magiging engineers sa group chat na yan. So ito yung problem natin guys. Solve the differential equation below dy dx plus y over x is equal to x squared. So ito kasi yung mga klase ng tanong na usually nakakalimutan na ng mga ng mga students or yung mga nagre-review for board exam. So medyo mag-recap lang tayo ng konti o paano ba tayo mag-solve ng ganitong klase ng differential equation, which is specifically a linear differential equation. So ano ba yung linear differential equation? That is in the form dy dx plus p of x y equals q of x. Okay? So paano ba natin sinusolve yan, Sir IJ? So sinusolve natin itong differential equations na to using the tinatawag natin na integrating factor. So how do we solve for the integrating factor, Lodi Cakes? So the integrating factor of this linear differential equation is given by e raised to the integral of p of x dx. Okay? And the integrating factor here will be our multiplier to determine the solution of the given differential equation. That is a y multiplied by the integrating factor is equal to the integral of q of x multiplied by the integrating factor dx. And yan yung magiging pinaka-solution natin. So for this case, napakadali lang naman ma-identify guys. Ano ba yung natin, p of x? So ang form kasi dito is y multiplied by p of x. Since this is y over x, so we can conclude that p of x in the given differential equation is equal to 1 over x. Okay? So applying the formula for the integrating factor, so we have e raised to the integral of 1 over x dx. And alam naman natin na ang integral ng 1 over x dx is equal to ln of x. And we all know that the property of e raised to a natural logarithm of a certain algebraic expression, so tandaan lang natin na e raised to ln of x is also equal to x. Okay guys? Kaka-cancel na yan. Kumbaga pag binigyan ka ng, for example, meron tayong e raised to 2 ln x, so gawin mo lang siyang e raised to ln of x squared. So this is equal to x squared kasi this will be cancelled out. Okay? Pero ito na yung pinaka-fundamental natin. E raised to ln of x is equal to x. Parang siya, 10 raised to the logarithm of x is equal to x. Parang ganun siya. So we have y multiplied by the integrating factor which is x is equal to q of x is the algebraic expression on the right side of the equation. So we have x squared multiplied by x dx plus, magkakaroon na lang pala tayo dito ng constant. So ito x squared times x, that's x cubed. So that is very basic na integral lang, integration of powers. X cubed, dagdag ng power sa isa. So anong isa sa power? So 3 plus 1, that's 4 all over 4 plus the constancy. So which means that the correct answer for the given word problem is letter B. Ayun guys, ulitin ko lang po. Pwede rin naman siyang in terms of x, dx dy plus p of y x equals q of y. So same thing lang naman, magbabago lang yung sa formula natin. That will be x times if equals the integral of q of y I of x, if dy. So kumbaga pwede siyang linear sa y, linear din sa x. So ito lang naman yung sinusunod natin. So if ever meron kayong questions or clarifications dito sa engineering board problem natin na to, feel free to ask and feel free to comment on the comment section. And maraming salamat guys sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel ni Sir IJ, sa TikTok, sa Facebook page, sa YouTube, and syempre sa Facebook profile ko na rin. And ayun guys, sana wag kayong magsawang sumuporta and manood sa mga past, present, and future tutorial videos natin. And God bless you always mga Lodi Cakes. Bye-bye and thank you.